Right. So ratio form that is P by right ratio P by Q. This P by Q is more important in our calculations. So more important in our calculations. What is this? Now if you have to know that 1 by 2 value, 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Okay. Next supposed to be 1 by 3. What is the 1 by 3? 0.33. 0.33. So bar you can put. Now third one is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to, so 0.25. Already you are calculated and done. So how you done calculated? So 1 divided by, but it is no time is not there in examination. So then 0 decimal 1 0 4 2s are 8, remainder 2, 4 5s are 10. So 4 5s are 20. Now 0.25 like this. So where the time to calculate an examination? So that's why 1 by 4 means immediately you have to get, this is the way. Next is next one, fourth one, 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is automatically, so 0.5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are next. And fifth one is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is equal to, so 0.75. 0.75. Sixth one, now what you call to say 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2. Okay, na? So how you got 5 there? It won't go 0, decimal 10 like this. But there is no time is not there in solving the problems. So that's why directly you might have to do this one. These are useful in calculation in calculations. Now again we are going to still continuation only. Now next suppose 7 to 1 is there. Now suppose 1 by 8 is there. 1 by 8. 1 by 8 how much? That is you have to make it, 8 can be written as 4 2s are 8. So that is 1 by 4 into 2. So 1 by 4 is 0.25 and 1 by 2 is 0.5. So 0.25 is 125, that is 0.125. If you know directly 1 by 8 value, once you know that, because I calculated all the values, what are the useful things in mathematical ratio calculation, one place I have written. So now like this, now 8 to 1. So 1 by 16 is there. So 1 by 16. So while calculating the, what you call to say, one electron is what you call, 1 electron is 1.6 10 to the power of that many charges. So 1 coulomb is good, how many electrons? They are the more useful here. I will give that value also. 1 by 16. How to write? So it is 0. Again no need. So 4 4s are. So 1 by 4 is 0.25 and again 1 by 4 is 0.25. So 25 square is 625. 625. So how many decimals? 4 are there. 1 2 3 4 decimals. So no. But this value will be not there in exam in the answer. So which answer will be there? So they can move. So scientific notation. So that is 6.25 into 10 to the power of, how many decimals moved? 1 to 10 to the power of minus 2. This is there for the value. So this is this number. Let them say it is x. So by using the scientific notation, x must be, what you call to say, greater than 1 and x must be less than 10. That is the scientific notation. Okay, understood? So that means 1 by 16 can be 6.2 10 to the power of minus 2. Now coming to, okay sir, well and good. Now go to the next number calculation. Suppose now sir, now your calculation supposed to be, I can say 1 by 30. 1 by 30 what to do? So first you can go with the 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is how much? 0.33 bar you can put, no problem. So by 10 is there, then I can put 0 here. So that means immediately you can do this. Now 1 by 25 is there. So you can take the next 1 by 25. 1 by 25. Suppose 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 is equal to, then how to do? that actually simplified 1 by 25. So multiply and divide with 4. Our main motto or our aim should be denominator try to get zeros. Denominator if you try to get zeros, so automatically that becomes power. Okay, 10 to the power of minus. Okay, this becomes 100. So that is 100 means 4 is there. That is 4 by 100. So I'll write directly. So how you are going to get? I'm giving the value, that is multiply and divide with 4. Then that is equal to 4 by 100. That is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Minus 2. That means 1 by 25 is equal to, if you know this immediately, your calculation will be very quick and easy. Application while doing the problems. This is the value. Now, suppose next, now you take any number for this one. For you take any number. Suppose 7 by what you call to say 5 is there. 7 by 5 what to do? So you can assume that multiply and divide between mine. This becomes a 10. That is equal to 14. 14 means 1.4 over. So how it is easy? That much easy. So like this, suppose now if you want to be. So 1 by 4. So people are going to do 1 by 4 means 4 ones are plus 1, 5 by 4. No. So that is going to be 1.25. 1.25. Okay. Now next, supposed to be you take any number, any calculation, that denominator try to get zeros or whatever you want to be. Next, 1 by 32 is there. So what to do? 1 by 32. 1 by 32. So 1 by 32 is nothing but what? 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are, so 16 into 2. Okay. Now 16 already, 1 by 16 already you know that. So 0.0625 already we know, into 2 double the number. So now it becomes 0.512. Okay. Now this much you are having, that is 1 by 2 value is 0.5. 1 by 2 value is how much? 0.5. 0.5. Now we did mistake. Okay. Now 1 by 2 is 0.5. Now if it simplify. Now 5 5 is 25. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 5 is 25. 5 2s are 10. That is 12. 5 6 are 30. Then 32. So how many displays are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So I can write 10 to the power of what we call to say minus, what we call totally how much? 1 2 3 4 5. 10 to the power of minus 5. So it is not still not correct. So I can write. So now you have to, how many? I want to make it a 3 point. Now I am going to move this one. 1 1 2 3. So that is 3.225 into 10 to the power of minus 5 and plus 3. Then becomes, that is equal to 3.225 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Answer. Like this. Okay. Na? So this is the way of calculation. Now, so in ratio calculation, this is the P by Q form ratios. Whenever the problem is going to come easily, you can go to right. Now coming to the next one. Now trigonometry, if you go to the trigonometry. So trigonometry, so we don't, trigonometry values you know very well, all of you. Trigonometry values. So I just I'll go to the trigonometry values. Go to the next one. Trigonometry. So the value tables you might know, all of you. So what are the value tables? So this is the angle, this is the trigonometric ratio, this is the angle. All of you knows clearly angle. Just I am writing a table also. But if you want to find any angle between this, so I'll give the shortcut easily. So 0 degrees, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Now sin theta, cos theta. Okay, sir. 0 degrees. We'll put degree symbol. Right. Sin 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, all of you knows. Sin 30, 1 by 2, cos 30, root 3 by 2. Okay. Next, sin 45, 1 by root 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2. Same thing. Sin 60, root 3 by 2, cos 60, 1 by 2. Observe it. Now sin 90, 1, cos 90, 0. Once you know these two in our trigonometry, most of the trigonometric values are completed easily. How we are going to complete, you know that, I will tell you. Now, you want to find a tan. So tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Okay. And you have to see, that is 0 by 1. 0 by anything is 0. So then 1 by, simplify yourself, cancel 1 by root 2. Now this is a 1. So 2 to cancel, that is a root 3. So this is a 1 by root 3. Okay. This is a root 3. This is a, anything 0 by anything is infinity, not defined. Called a tan. Next, coming to cot, if you want to be cot theta. So cot is the reciprocal of tan. Okay, sir. Reciprocal of tan. So that is infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of infinity is 0. Okay. Now another values, very simple, easy. Okay. For remaining easy for two. If you know sine and cos, rest work is easier. Now if you want to cosecant, cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sine theta. Similarly, sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. All of you understanding? Okay. Now coming to reciprocal of this one, that is infinity, not defined, 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, now 1. Now secant, 1, 2 by root 3 reciprocal. Now root 2, this is 2, this is infinity. That's all. Understood? So, okay, this all of you knows, no problem. All of you knows, no problem. But the thing here is, I want to find, so once again, if you want to see the all of you table, see, that is okay, understood. Now, I want to find angle of 35 degrees angle. So, I want to find sin 35. How to find? That is a problem, right? So, sin 35, they don't give any trigonometric table values. Now, what is the sin 35? You got in the question paper, you got sin 35. Sin 35 value came. How much? So, first point is, so before that, what are the value, known values of sine? Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. That is 0. Okay, 1 by 2 is 0.5. Now, sin 45 is equal to, how much you are going to get? So 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 value simplification. So you multiply, so don't take root 2 value. Root 2 value 1.414. 1 by 1.414, you will take a laborious work. So, but you multiply and divide with root 2. So root 2 into root 2 gives you 2. So root 2 value is equal to 1.414. In AC circuits, you are going to get 4. So cancel this fellow. So 0.707. Understood? So this is 0.707. Okay. Now, here generally it is increasing in order. So trigonometry, sine wave here is up to 90 degrees, goes on increasing. It is increasing. Next, after the up to slowly falling down. Then, so this value lies here. So now I can take this one, increasing value. Now 30 degrees is 0.5. Then 35 is how much? Then by observing this one. So therefore 35 degrees is equal to, sin 35 is equal to 0.5 divided by 30 into 35. Per degree is 30 into 30. Now simplify. 5 6 ja, 5 7 ja. Okay na? Now 7 5 is a 35. So 35. Okay, sir. Now 6 is there. 6. Now it is a nearer to 6 is a 36. Okay. So I can take 0. No, sir, exactly you want to take means that is it. Now 6 5 is a 30. 6 5 is a 30. What the number? Next number is what? 35 is there. 6 8 is a 48 goes on. Now you are going to get 0.58. So short comment 0.5. I can take approximately 0.6 you can take. Okay, na? So 0.6. So while doing this, is not also not required this much. So sine value goes on increasing only. So the domain of sine is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay. 0 to 1 value. This is called domain of the sine value region is 0 to 1. But domain of cos is minus 1. Cos value is minus 1 to 1. Okay. So this is the domain of this one. So for this now we have to make to calculation of this one. And most important for the calculation in case of this, let them to see here. They are going to give this trigonometric values. Now they say sine 53. Sine 53. What is the sine 53 value? So you can try to take this one, right angle triangle, right angle triangle. If this angle is more angle, the slant will be decreases. Then I can take this is a 53 degrees, less angle, more length. So this is a 53. The next will be 37. This is a right angle triangle. Now this will be 3, this will be 4. Then you can take A, B, C right angle triangle. Now if you want to find sine 53 degrees, so try to remember that. So this is a 53, the length will be 3, and 37, this length will be more. So this hypotenuse value becomes 5. So BC is equal to square root of, what is it called? 4 square plus 3 square. You know, that is equal to 16 plus 9. Automatically, no need to this. It is called 5. Now I want to find sine 53. Sine 53 is how much? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So therefore, sine 53 is equal to opposite side 4 by 5. 4 by 5. This is the exactly you are going to get. No sir, I want to go just now what we said shortcut method, that also you can follow. No need to worry about it. So you take any value, this nearer to this one. Again you have to reduce it back, no problem. So sine 60 is the value. Now sine 45 you can take sine, or better you can take sine 60. Sine 60 is equal to how much? Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 is equal to how much? 1.732 by 2. Okay. Now simplification, that is 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12. That is 0.866. I want to find 53. I want to find 53. So 60 degrees, I can take it as granted. This what you call to say. I directly can go to the what you call to say 53. No need. So I'll go directly 53. Okay. Now 53 degrees you want. So 53 is equal to 0.866 divided by 60 into 53. Like this also you can take. Now you have to simplify this one. Okay na? Now this 0 keep it up, don't need to touch 0. Now 6 is there. So 6 1 is 6, 20, 6. 6 4s are 24. Again 6 4s are 24. Again 2 there, 6 3s are 18. Enough. Now this is how much displaces. This we are going to get. Now again one 0 in there here. You can put 0 0.0. 0.01443 into you have to multiply 53. Okay, like this you have to do simplification. Okay, na? That is the shortcut. Otherwise, nearer to you can take the values of this one. Understood? Right. Next, this is the what you do the shortcut. Now coming to this one, completed. Right. Next. Do the simplification by yourself. Right. Next. All silver teacups, all of you knows all silver teacups, all silver teacups. So all silver teacups, you must have to know the all silver teacups rules. All silver tea cups. Right, sir. All of you knows all silver teacups. This is called X coordinate. Okay, this is called Y coordinate. So you are making the 4 quadrant. This is called first quadrant. First quadrant. First quadrant is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta. We call first quadrant. The second quadrant. This is the second quadrant. Second quadrant is 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. Okay, and third quadrant is 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. Fourth quadrant is 270 plus theta degrees and 360 minus theta. So it is looking like all of you known only. But once you are going to get the application, then we are going to get a confusion. That's why just I am briefing, easy method, easy way. Okay. Now, so here all trigonometric functions are positive. In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions positive. All trigonometric ratios are functions positive. All positive. But here all silver only sine functions, positive only sine related functions, sine and cosecant, cosec are positive. Remaining is negative other function, other trigonometric functions, other trigonometric ratios. Third quadrant, silver is over T. So positive only tan related ratios. Tan related, what is that? Cot is there. Tan and cot. Why? Because tan is inversely proportional to cot, or cot is equal to tan. Now remaining are negative. remaining trigonometric functions are negative. So negative other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios, all of you know. Next, in fourth quadrant, cups means cos. Positive only cos related. Only cos and secant. So secant positive. Negative other trigonometric ratios. Negative other trigonometric ratios. Okay, all of understanding this one. Now, okay, now this is the all silver teacups. All silver teacups table. All silver teacups ratios. Okay. Right. Completed. This is the next. Now, if you want to, no, shall I move? Right. Okay, better I can take it up. Now, coming to first quadrant, suppose anything first quadrant, first quadrant, first quadrant, quadrant, first quadrant. What is the first quadrant? 90 minus theta and 360 complete circle plus again t plus adding theta. It's called first quadrant. So now first one.